want your presents from Auntie CJ? Want your presents from Auntie CJ? Okay, look. Timothy, she gave you coffee. Look, Auntie CJ gave you boxes of coffee. Here. You gotta open it. Yeah. Here, baby. Auntie CJ gave you this. Here. Timothy, open this one. This one's Timothy's. Here. Yeah, open it. Here you go, Alex. What is that? Auntie CJ got that for you. Open it, baby. Look what Auntie CJ got you. Alex. Okay, somebody open it. Okay, baby. Okay, we gotta open it. Okay, Alex is gonna open it. Here. Alex, wanna open this one? Uh-oh. It's okay, baby. Here, baby. Open it. Here, baby. Open it. Open it. You want hose? What did Auntie CJ get you? She got you broom brooms? Look, Alex, what did Auntie CJ get you? Oh, look at the little pants. Mom's happy camper. Oh, that's so cute. Auntie CJ got that for you? And look, she got this one for brother. Look, here we go. Okay, Mommy will open yours in a minute, okay? Here you go, brother. How does Mommy get the guy out? See the man? How does Mommy get the man out? Yeah, Mommy needs to get the man out. There we go. There we go. That's Alex's. This one's Timothy's. Here. Mommy, open it. Oh, you want a choo-choo train, but that's a bus. Here, look, Auntie got you this. You want to open it? Okay. Okay. And then Auntie got you the choo-choo cookies. Yep, one's for brother and one's for you. Yeah, they're yours. One of them. Tell Auntie thank you. Say thank you, Auntie. Say thank you, Auntie. Aw, give Mommy a kiss. Baby needs a kiss.